जी हाँ, बिल्कुल। लगभग 4 वर्ष पहले मैंने आवेदन पत्र जमा किया था। क्या मेरा नंबर आ गया है?
Yes, definitely. Approximately four years ago, I had submitted the application. Um, is it my turn now?
During the examination, there'll be at least one point where you don't know what to say. Now, this is because you actually didn't understand what the speaker said because maybe of his pronunciation or because of the audio device, or maybe you just didn't understand in what context he's talking. In this case, it is best to use repeat. Uh, all the students have an opportunity to use repeat at least once in both the dialogues, and a lot of them forget to do this. Now, when you don't use the word, when you don't ask the invigilator to repeat the segment, you'll end up having a long pause or you might just hesitate while performing. One bad thing with long pauses is the invigilator might feel that you finished your segment and they just hit the play button and move on to the next segment. That is why the biggest strength that you can have with this examination is having confidence. Even if you're not confident, you need to fake it. Because if you say the wrong thing with confidence, there is a chance that you might end up getting some marks. So confidence is the key.
Yes, definitely. Approximately 4 years ago, I had submitted the application. Is it my turn now?
If you have any more questions regarding the CCL examination, please feel free to leave your questions in the comment section below. Aussies provides both online and face to face coaching at our Melbourne CBD Center. For more information, please visit our website, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.